Did you know, did you know, did you know that 95% of all Americans are scientifically illiterate? Scientifically illiterate. It's true. Now if you just believed me, there's a word for you. Gullible. That's right. You are gullible if you just believed me. And you're also susceptible to something else called religion. Religion. See, they prey on people like you who are gullible and who are unwilling to ask a series of questions. 1. Who is this person? Are they a reliable source? And more importantly, can I find other sources that will back that up, that are also reliable? 2. Where did they get their data? Are they using a graph, which I saw recently on a commercial, that on the x-axis it labeled it time? What does time mean? Time can mean anything. Time can mean 1 second, 10 years. And who did they do their study with? Was it with one person? Was it with 10 people? Was it with 1,000 people? Where did they get this? Did they take the first 10 people out of a baseball game? Or did they take a random sample from the whole population? 3. I said 95% of Americans are scientifically illiterate. What does that mean? Did they ask them one question? Did they ask them a series of questions? How hard were the questions? Did they say something as simple as, do you know what the periodic table of the elements is? Was it a simple yes or no question? Or was it an extremely difficult question that only a scientist would know? These are the questions that you should ask yourself anytime you hear a fact. Still don't think you're gullible? What about airborne? You've seen it in the shelves. Does it actually work? They say it's clinically tested, or some variation on that. You say to yourself, they can't say that if it's not true. Oh yes they can. That's not regulated. But don't take my word for it, and you shouldn't. You should check it yourself. Ask questions, because if you can be gullible for something as silly as that little fact, you could be gullible for something a lot bigger, like religion. Check your facts. Please.